Hey, it's the Ryan and Paul show today.
Hello.
And we're in San Francisco on 16th Avenue.
Mosaic staircase.
And we're here to check out a mosaic staircase that was built in 2005 by a bunch of different people.
It looks really awesome so far.
And we're going to get a little bit of exercise hiking up these. So,
oh yeah.
Come along, let's check it out.
Mosaic, which pays homage to loved ones and the spirit of community. Golden Gate Heights neighbors and friends wish you a pleasant walk.
Well, here they are. This is really cool. Got the fishes.
It starts in the ocean and then it goes from ocean.
It goes from ocean.
It goes from ocean to river to mountains to space. What?
Oh wow, ocean to river to mountains to space.
It's like it's from the deepest part of our ecosystem to the highest, the moon and the sun.
So these are all tiles that have been put here and broken. Very cool.
Yeah, look, so now we're getting out of the ocean.
We're getting out of the ocean, we're starting to get to the coffee shops.
A little picnic.
Little picnic.
Yeah, because now
it looks like individuals. Bernie and Joe. Terry and Kathleen.
And some of them are businesses. Because now we're on the side of a river. The river's on the right, and we're on the left is the animals.
And the glass used for part of the plants.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Sea turtle, snake, frog, bunny rabbit, ladybug, snail, squirrels.
Sea snake.
And I'm going to give you a view behind us. And they got all this kind of succulents here. And there's the view. And straight ahead is Mount Tamalpais and Mill Valley. Fog's rolling in.
Oh, I bet people skate. I think I've seen people skate down this.
I bet you have.
Rail grind, this whole thing. I think I watched a skate video one time. And
really?
Doing this, yeah.
That'd be definitely a little crazy.
Yeah, there's mushrooms.
We got mushrooms. Pelicans, frogs.
Mom, we love and miss you.
Oh, very nice. I think the best part about that is no one has defaced it.
Yeah.
And left it. I don't see any graffiti or anything.
Yeah, so now we're getting out of the river here. The river.
Actual bug crawling.
That's cool. But look, the river, this is what's left of the river right here. It's flowing. And now we're starting to get into the sky with all the birds and different bugs.
Cool. Star Mountain Art. Jim Thompson. Zephyr Estate Real Estate.
Bats. All these stars.
Bats. More bats.
We're coming up on the moon. Now we're just in space.
In the moon. And then the sun. Very cool.
Yeah, wow.
Almost at the top.
Yeah.
I wonder how many stairs it is.
Quite a bit.
I'm feeling it.
Me too. too. Stairs right there. Go up to those trees. That's probably got to be the best view of the city ever up there.
Yeah. Well, here we are at the top. A little winded.
Yeah.
Doesn't look very fancy going down.
Yeah, you wouldn't even know.
So these are the 16th Avenue stairs in San Francisco. For those of you who want to come visit, just look on Google and ask Google where the 16th Avenue stairs are, and it'll bring you here. All right, we're going. There's another stairway across. This is above the stairs. We're going to see what this is all about. Well, we made it to the top of these stairs, and Ryan wants to rock the Megatron edition, which he's more than welcome to do. So the next footage is going to be brought to you by Ryan.
Yeah. Brought to you by me. Here we go. I just want to go up here because we got this beautiful view here of the city. And I'm thinking that if we get up to the top, it might be a 360. Or we can see like all the angles of it. So, gonna be doing that for a little bit. But, should be good. Some really interesting stairs here. Cool stairs. The little railing, these like in-betweens are metal, but these are wood. Behind me, you can see the view of the city and everything. It's a beautiful place. Yeah, this is where it's at. This is cool. This is a really cool spot. This might be one of the coolest spots in the city. You can sit on like a log. You can sit on this log over here. It's got a bunch of nails in it. This path seemingly continues along. So, we shall see. Dude, it doesn't even feel like I'm in the city right now. It's crazy. It's right in the heart. You got this crazy ass trail, huh? It's called taking advantage of life's opportunities right here. All right. That's really cool. All right, time to head up to the top. There's some rocks up here. Decently windy up here, so holy crap. Yeah, this is breathtaking. Wow, full 360 as I anticipated. Alrighty. Well, this has been a wonderful little walk up here. Bit of a ways up, but thanks for tagging along.
Thanks for joining, Ryan.
Thank you.
Ryan took you to the top. I took you halfway. Look out, the thrill is gone.
Well,
Thanks for joining us today on this short but colorful video. We'll
Yeah.
see you next time.
see you later.
Peace.
Peace.